really cool.
There we go.
Afford me some road flares. I need to go to I got something I need.
I don't think this is going to come out like you think it is.
It isn't. I'm
It's
not worried about
okay.
it.
You can jump it. But there might be some cool aspects because I'm tilting the camera
Yeah.
around while you do your around.
Hey, that's what I did to Nancy. That shit looks cool as hell. That shit looks cool as hell when you watch it.
Right. But also they want to know what it looks like, what they're doing.
Are we ready
I
for
mean,
fire?
it's totally not picking up what I'm seeing.